What is Kubernetes? Imagine Kubernetes as a powerful and efficient system designed to manage containerized applications across a cluster of machines. In simple terms, Kubernetes is like a highly skilled conductor orchestrating a large and diverse group of musicians, containers, to perform in harmony. Just as a conductor manages different sections of an orchestra to create a symphony, Kubernetes coordinates a multitude of containers, ensuring they work together seamlessly. Containers, like individual musicians, each perform a specific part of a larger task. Kubernetes ensures these containers are running as intended, scales them up or down depending on the demand, like adjusting the volume of number of musicians, and keeps the performance of your applications running smoothly, even if there are changes or issues like a musician missing a note. The orchestration includes handling tasks such as deploying applications, scaling them according to demand, maintaining their desired state, and rolling out updates or changes. All of this is done across a cluster of machines, providing highly availability and efficient resource utilization. So, in essence, Kubernetes is the maestro of the container world, bringing order, efficiency, and harmony to potentially chaotic complex processes, ensuring your applications perform optimally.